Welcome, partners. Paint your success with us. Before we begin, we'll be sending to you a short survey at the end of the section. Let us know how we can do better and if there is any interesting topics you'd like to cover in the future. If you have any questions, feel free to drop in the chat. We will attend to your questions. Key in to learn more regarding Foodpanda tools that can better help you in your business. Head over to University on Restaurant Portal to learn more. Here, what's to expect for today's section. Paint your success, self-serve. Self-serve is the way to go, and successful orders happy customers. To start off, let's get to know your device. We can see front and back device. Front, printer box, paper feeder, power button, volume button, screen, and home button as well. Back of the device, not a selfie camera. SIM card tray, detachable back cover. To access World of Foodpanda, log in into Restaurant Portal. You should receive an email from Foodpanda to bring you there. If you can't find your credentials from your email, fret not, we are here to help. Or if you forget your password, you can click here to reset your password. In the next few slides, we'd like to address common issues vendors faced. Frozen tablet does not happen occasionally, but if it happens, do these three simple steps on your device will be ready to go. First, press and hold the power button for 20 seconds to force restart. Make sure your power cable is plugged in. Second, the screen will go blank and go into full restart mode. Wait for a few seconds until you see your default home screen. Your device is now back. You're all set. It's highly recommended to put your device away from any heat source, damp, or wet areas. Next, if you encounter any printer issue, example, faded printers, most likely the printer paper are not put in the right position. You can follow these simple steps. Check if your printer paper is placed correctly. Second, do a test print to check the printer quality. Tap on the menu and go to Settings and click Test Print. Lastly, if you persist, replace the paper roll with new one. If you disconnected printer issue, here what you can do. Tap on the menu icon and go to Settings and select Bluetooth printer. You will see Inner Printer. So please choose Inner Printer. If your printer issue still persists, we got you. Lastly, we would like to highlight the connection issue you might face. Firstly, toggle to Home button and go to Settings and select Wi-Fi. Ensure that the Wi-Fi is off and hold to the power button for 5 seconds. Restart, you're back in the game. We also highly recommended you to use 4G network instead of Wi-Fi to ensure strong internet connectivity. Ready to go online with us? Go online, check-in, early check-in or offline. Ready to check in? Tap Open Restaurant to check in and open your restaurant. Early bird. If you check in early than usual, a timer will count down to your opening time. Not ready yet, your stall will remain closed until you're ready to go. For the next slide, we have two things, which is getting busy and getting way too busy. Switch to busy whenever temporarily stop income orders for 30 minutes. You will be promoted to check in when the 30 minutes are up. Or not getting way too busy, switch to close. Help all income orders or close for the day. Need to edit your opening hours. Add or edit opening hours. Edit your hours on the opening times page. Edit hours. Click on the start or end time and select your perfect time. And additional hours. Click on add hours and input your preferred start or end time. Close shop for the day. Uncheck the box of your desired day to close the entire day. Second, click on Save Changes. Your update hours will be reflected immediately. Let's see success stories from other vendors. Pizza Bag, Philippines. Low offline hours of 0.30% in a month. We try to minimize offline time so more customers will place orders with us during our opening hours. For example, we'll plan in advance and update our opening hours when we have any upcoming special events. This helped us reduce our customers' rejection rates. Thank you, Desert Pinto from Malaysia. 0% orders cancellation, 99% successful orders. To keep cancellation at a minimum, our team keeps regular check on our inventory to ensure that there never shortage of any ingredients. We also keep additional stock for popular items to prepare for an increase in orders. Some Tumisat from Thailand, zero menu rejection for a month. To avoid menu request rejection, we also double check before sending in our request. This is to avoid common mistakes like mismatched prices or mismatched items. To summarize, here how you can achieve excellence in 3 tips and tricks. Internet connectivity. Strong internet connectivity will ensure you receive all orders come through. This will give you more business. Second, never ignore your device so that you don't miss out any orders. Refraining from bad customers experience reduce the chance as return customers. Busy, switch up your status and whenever you're ready, hit open again. In the next segment, we will share more of the photo guidelines. First of all, let's understand or delve a little deeper way why do we need to visual presentation in food. 3 things. Branding in a key. With visual presentation, it can help to increase order value to 10%. Secondly, with dish photos, we can increase sales of an item by 4.5 times. Lastly, it's very important to describe your dish as this will stimulate appetite and craft in a picture on their mind. Here's an example you can convert the boring menu to this. Spice up your menu with listing and banners photo. These are few steps. Number 1, go to restaurant portal, toggle to the menu management page, and then select photos from the left sidebar. Third, to upload a photo, click on the gray box and click upload and select your photo from your device. Fifth, crop the photo with a slide position in the middle. And lastly, click save photo. Need help with your dish photos? We've got you covered. We also provide Photoshoot Service booking, and do take note the average time from booking to end product is approximately 10 to 12 working days. Do note that this is a paid service. Here are some top tips and tricks you can to do stand out from the crowd. First, always meet your customer expectation by providing accurate dish photos and portion size. Never let down. Observe order notes, especially if it's allergic or special instruction. Third, enhance customer experience. Consider leaving a note to thank them for their purchase or provide code or exclusive discount for their next order. So what is customer recovery charges? CRC in short is a penalty of rejecting orders that are fully within a restaurant's control. Charges reasoning can vary, and here's some of the reasoning of CRC charges. First, when customer orders and your store is closed. Second, you have neglected your GoDrop device and did not accept the order. Third, a dish is out of stock and you have already accepted the order. Fourth, you did not respond to the order in a time. Here some practices on how to achieve excellence and maximum efficiency. First, update your menu and regularly and opening hours if you need to be avoid receiving orders when your kitchen is closed. Second, if you're too busy during lunch or dinner crowd, remember to switch up your restaurant status to prevent bad customer experience and missing any order. Third, having a strong connectivity is a key. Stay plugged in as this will ensure you receive all orders that come through. Fourth, turn it up. Always ensure your device is loud so you don't miss out any incoming orders. Any questions? We have one question from the audience. First, where can you adjust item availability other than go drive? You can make adjustment to item availability on both GoDrive and Restaurant Portal. Go to Restaurant Portal, select the Menu Management tool and click the item on the menu that you like to adjust. Use the drop-down function and toggle from available to unavailable as needed. Second question, what if my restaurant gets busy and I need more time to prepare food? If you need more time, pause incoming orders for 30 minutes by switching restaurant status to busy. After 30 minutes, you'll be prompted to check in, which will take your restaurant back online. If you don't check in at this time, restaurant will be switched to closed. After this, you need to tap Open Restaurant on your GoDrive device to your restaurant back online. Always tap the Ready for Pickup button GoDrive when an order is ready. This helps our algorithm stay accurate. The third question will be, how do I contact customers regarding an order? We will only be able to contact a customer if they pick the option when placing the order. To avoid disappointing customers, keep your item status up to date. Fourth question, how do you change language on Restaurant Portal and GoDrive? On Restaurant Portal, head to the bottom right corner of the login page to change your language. On the GoDrive, select Settings from the navigation bar and click Language. Here's our upcoming webinars. Feel free to register free today to learn how you can do better and excel. Thank you and stay tuned.